So it took me literally 3, 4, 5 years to discover how to charge premium prices from my clients and to go away from this low prices for my clients towards, hey, I charge my clients $3,000 to $4,000 per month. So in this video, I'm literally giving it all away. I will show you how I got my first high-paying client on a monthly basis and how you can do it too. And I hope you get a lot of value from this video. So the first time I got a high-priced client was not this $3,000. It was actually via cold DM messaging. I closed a client for $8,000 euros actually. And then before I did cold calling and I closed a 2,000 euro client. But the thing changed in my life is, okay, that's nice when I have sometimes these peaks and I make a lot of money, but this is not recurring revenue. So I was focusing on making money on a recurring basis. So I needed to change something in my life. So either you're a filmmaker, you are a freelancer, and you're doing any kind of creative work, you need to literally step away from a one-off solution and you need to give results towards your clients. I have a free video where I completely explain how you can make $5,000 to $10,000 per month. It's completely for free. Just click the first link in the description and you literally, when you watch this, you can literally make $5,000 to $10,000 in the next 1 to 3 months when you literally just do it what I say in this video. So yeah, the mindset shift I needed to do was going away from one-off projects and going towards a recurring model. So that's why I also needed to have a recurring solution for my clients. So I needed to understand, what are my clients craving for? My clients are craving for more money, more time. And then I thought I can get them the right eyeballs onto their business. It sounds so simple. But then I thought about, okay, why not then offer them the solution that they get more clients on a recurring basis? So this is how I got my first high-paying client, because he wanted to build a YouTube channel in a very specific niche. Long story short, I focused on literally just YouTube. I built YouTube channels for clients. I got them a lot of clients, and this is how I made my first $10,000 after, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 months maybe after I started with this, after he approached me. So accidentally, I was thrown back into YouTube to build YouTube channels. And this, I tell you guys, completely changed my life. Completely changed my life. I was in Germany, smoking weed, not being focused. I had a way too big ego. I thought I did it all, and I thought I built it the biggest business because I did sometimes a good amount of money. I wasn't in bad shoes. I wasn't in a shit situation, but I also didn't have the best life because sometimes I made money and then I didn't make money. But still, my ego was way too big, and I didn't focus on the fundamentals, which I'm literally gave for free in my freebie, again down below in the first link, where I literally just give everything away you need to make money with a creative agency, with a content agency. So I hope this video was valuable, and we will see each other in another video. Bye bye.